How to change oil in 2001 Toyota Avalon Easy Method. Most people get this wrong by skipping preparation or using the wrong oil type. The surprising truth is that changing oil in a 2001 Toyota Avalon is simple if you follow the correct steps. Start by gathering the tools: a 5-quart container of A30 motor oil, a new oil filter, an oil filter wrench, a socket wrench, a funnel, and a drain pan. Make sure the car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is slightly warm but not hot. You don't want burns. First, lift the front of the car with the jack and secure it with jack stands. Slide the drain pan under the oil pan and remove the drain plug using the socket wrench. Let the old oil completely drain. You won't believe how much old, dirty oil collects over time, affecting engine performance. Next, remove the old oil filter with the oil filter wrench. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of the new filter. Screw it on by hand until it's snug, avoid over tightening. Reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's secure. Then, use a funnel to pour the new 5 quarts of A30 oil into the engine. Check the dipstick after filling to ensure proper level. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking for leaks around the drain plug and filter. If there are none, turn off the engine and check the oil level again. In conclusion, changing the oil in a 2001 Toyota Avalon is straightforward with the right tools and steps. Regular oil changes improve engine longevity, performance, and fuel efficiency. Follow this method, and you'll keep your Avalon running smoothly for years.